Thank you for being here. I would like to thank the Panlar Group for invitation. My name is José Alexandre Mendonça. I am professor Pontifícia Universidade Católica de Campinas, in Brazil. I am rheumatologist and ultrasonographist in hematologia service. My speed Doppler assessment of the nail bed in PSO and PSA. There is no in this content a conflict of interest. The use of ultrasonography in the diagnosis of nail disease among patients with CPSO and PSA, a systematic review. Background, this content review really early diagnosis of nail involvement may be essential for better management of PSO and PSA. 50 to 8% of patients with PSO have current nail lesions, which can lead to function impairment. The prevalence of PSO may range from 0.5 to 11.8% around the world, while the prevalence of PSA among patients with PSO varies from 5.9% to 48%. 6% to 18% of patients have not arthritis preceding PSO. So sonography is considered a highly promising method to visualize nail disease. Image techniques such as ultrasound have been increasingly used to diagnose and to monitor clinical features of PSA and PSO. Classifiers usually include measures, thickness of the nail bed and the ventral and dorsal plates, as well as loss of definition, morphological changes in relation to laminar pattern, blood flow disturbance, and PD signal and spectrodopia. The objective of the review was to evaluate the use of ultrasound for diagnosis of nail disease in patients with PSO and PSA by review ultrasound parameters with the best diagnostic accuracy. The basis databases used Medline and PubMed in Lilacs to identify studies addressing to the use of ultrasound in A assessment in two groups, and the search were performed until March 20, 2018 year. Only studies published during the past 10 years were considered eligible. The papers were screened by two different reviews used the following includes criteria: observational or no therapy intervention studies, patient with PSO and or PSA, studies assessing the use of ultrasound for nail assessment, grayscale, PD, and spectrodopper. Papers reported in English, French, Portuguese, and Spanish only. Exclusion criteria, clinical trials of any phase, all are study design or case reporters. Just some aspects of the nail. The nail with the loss of trilaminar pattern and normal pattern, trilaminar 1, 2, 3 laminas, and middle chains, moderate, and severe. Other aspect, the thickness in nail insertion is very important, and consider chains 2.5 millimeters. Assessment of bias was based off the John Abrin Institute for risk of bias evaluation. This review sample size varied from 10 to 238 patients, included 18 studies in the review. 8 studies comprised measurement on grayscale. There were consistently more nail lesions as measured using ultrasound in patients with PSA, 46 to 54%, and PSO compared with health controls. Patients with clinical nail disease were consistently found to have more lesions on ultrasound, 56.4 versus 8.8%, statistically significant, and had more frequent ventral nail plate deposits, median 17.72 and versus 4.65 significant statistically. Ultrasound results have a good agreement with clinical assessment for nail disease. Kappa value 0.79 for PSA patient encounter, and also a strong correlation at 10.7 for PSA and osteoarthritis patients, and statistically significant. Ultrasound sensitivity for detection nail disease in grayscale compared to clinical assessment is unclear. While more nails showed ultrasound filters without clinical findings, some patients had positive clinical signs, but no ultrasound filters. 6 studies compress quantitative results in relation PD signal. Nail bed PD signals were variable in both patients with PSO and PSA across the studies, with a range varying from 20 to 96%. PD signals were usually scored semi-quantitatively on a scale between 0 and 3. Interestingly, PSO was associated with all grades of PD signal severity. PD signal on the nail bed in health controls higher in relation PSO. Health controls versus PSO 65.8% versus 34.9%. It's difficult to assess PD signal sometimes. We must value the increase in signal in nail insertion. 3 studies compare quantitative results in relation spectral Doppler. 2 these studies, patients with PSO present with statistically higher nail food vessel resistance index, RI, measurement than health controls. On study assessment, RI measured in patients with PSA and reported that patients with PSA had lower RI measured in both the nail bed than controls. Other study showed that ROI measured less 0.5 points were associated with 199% of sensitivity and specificity for nail metrics inflammatory activity, respectively. This discussion in this thematic review was conducted to evaluate the current knowledge about the use of USA for the diagnosis of nail disease in patients with PSO and PSA. Despite some limitations, such as the scarce number of studies and methodological heterogeneity, this review is relevant. The conclusion: there are conflicting results, especially in the presence of Doppler signals in the nail bed. More studies are needed for the evaluation of the diagnostic value of this technique. In study nail ultrasound PSA PSO in health study. This study I participate of the Porto Alegre group in rheumatology. This study based ultrasonography in resistance index evaluation of nails in psoriatic arthritis, psoriasis in control groups and a cross-section study. The objective of this study aims to identify the ultrasonography characteristics of nails in 3 groups, PSO, PSA, and control groups, to determine whether USA can identify early signs of nail PSO involvement or local inflammation. The method ultrasound was performed on the nails to determine the nail matrix resistance index, power Doppler, grayscale in these 3 groups. Ostman describing the classified 4 types of changes by grayscale. Changes in the trilaminar pattern from the earliest to the most severe. Focal epicoic involvement of the ventral plate without involvement of the dorsal plate, type 1. Losing of the ventral plate, type 2. Appearance of wave plates, type 3. Loss of definition in both plates, type 4. Bed is usually technique 0 to 3 millimeters. Defined grayscale, I think the observation these plates and plate petrotrilaminar and hyperacoic deposit in the ventral plates, and B, loss, definition, the ventral plates, in C, wave plates, D, end of loss of definition, both plates. The measurement nail plates of nail bed and nail matrix techniques in grayscale. Nail plate techniques measure in nail bed technique measure, and nail matrix techniques measure. The SCORE system to quantify PD signal activity as follows: 0 no signal, 1 confluent signal in less 25% of the evaluated area, 2 confluent signal in greater 25% and less 50%. 3 confluent signal in greater 50%. 3 measurement in the 0.56 based the systolic peak and diastolic peak. The result of the sample calculation was 81 patients and 27 in which group. The mean result is and 80 and mean age is 53 and 54 years in PSA and PSO control group, and NAPSI greater in PSA 20 in relation to 58.1%, more in PSO 48.6, immunobiological and PSA group more in PSO group. The sample more condition in trilaminar structure type 2 and more condition in the PSA group in relation PSO and E0 controls. And nail plate thickness, the similar in PSA group and PSO, more in relation control group. Nail bed thickness, the same, the groups, and the nail matrix thickness, more greater in PSA group and PSO relation control group. The RI, the similar in groups, and the matrix and bed nail resistance index similar in PSA group, PSO, and control group. The linear regression analysis, the variable influence the nail plate thickness in PSA group, PSO, E8 insignificantly statistic. Smoke 2 influence the nail plate thickness. Correlations between disease activity score and the variables studied was follows. In NBT with MESACE score, clinical score in entities, significantly correlation, and in NPT with NAPSI, a score and clinical score changes the nail, and messes, and both significantly statistically significant. Patients in MD, minimal disease activity, had lower NPT. Patients with higher NAPSI had a higher frequency to in relation the trilaminar structure change, Alterations in trilament structure were also correlation with the prevalence clinical nail psoriatica and Massey's clinical score of the entities. The conclusion about nail microcirculation parameters have not been shown to be useful for the diagnosis for psoriatic nails. Ultrasonography of the nails is useful and allows distinguishing nails of patients with PSO from those of patient controls, even in the absence of clinical signs of psoriatic nails. The future studies are needed to clarify the characteristics and variations of nail ultrasound parameters in patients with PSO and PSA, since there is no consensus to date. The nail ultrasound, PSA, PSO, osteoarthritis, and health study. The study I participated, the Kane spectrodoppler high specificity in grayscale nail assessment suggests inflammation of PSA and a control group. Is this study, the objective evaluated the nail spectrodoppler finds in PSA patients compared with the health individuals and individuals with hand osteoarthritis. Our hypothesis was the spectrodoppler nail finds could help detect inflammatory process in patients with PSA. 44 patients with PSA, 10 healthy individuals, 6 patients with hand osteoarthritis were included. Patients with PSA were included if they met the Casper criteria. Nail change in PSA PSO grayscale PD based the PD0, 1, 2, 3 in signal Doppler presence in matrix. The same characteristics in relation changes grayscale 0, 1, 2, 3, like I told you anterior slide.
Doppler spectral was used to measure the RY in the nail bed in both the longitudinal plane and the transverse plane. Demographic data clinical parameters in PSO in control group, the mean age, the similar into groups, and more male in PSO group, 63.6%, and more Caucasian in PSA group, 90%. Visual analogical scale for global pen and nail pen is less in PSO group. The figure A, you see Doppler spectral measures in PSA patients in longitudinal evaluation, resistance index 0.54, transverse condition scan 0.5, control group longitudinal scan 0.83, and transverse 0.68, more in relation PSA group. Nail ultrasound parameters PSA groups in relation control groups. The longitudinal resistance index less in relation control group. It transverse condition scan less in relation control group. The nails parameters grayscale in control groups in relation millimeters. I see more in PSA in relation in control groups. The nail inflammatory process was observed when the resistance index value were below 0.4, characterizing 100% sensitivity and 96% specificity. When the area under the rock curve was 0.858, is statistically significant. Spectral Doppler measurement may indicate instances abnormalities in PSA patient 90.4% presented with spectral Doppler abnormalities. Whale, EVA, Gerald Pen, and Eva Nail Pen were both equal to 0, indicating in health detecting of 31 patients with TPS condition. These findings indicate the PSA 75 and 180 PSA mean, assisting identify those 86 males corresponding to 8 with this clinical activity. The conclusion, we show that nail ultrasound can effectively detect disease activity even in clinical conditions. In this study, validation and incorporation of digital entities into preliminary global molecular ultrasound dactylitis score GODAS in psoriatic arthritis. I participate. The nail insertion is microentities, very important in composite the score. In cadaver, we point in the more select includes in GODAS. Palmar plateau, microentities in digital extensor is sensor insertion in deep nail insertion, polis, and deep flexor tendon insertion, in radial and narrow digital collateral ligaments, in MCP, PIP, and deep. The reliability of the echo structure demand ranged from 0.98 to 0.99 for B-mode APD. Specific aspects of ultrasound differential diagnosis. PSA relation osteoarthritis. I see in PSA intensophytes in more signal PD in matrix and insertion tendon, tendon. And in signal PD and I see osteophytes in patient of the osteoarthritis. Differences in spectral Doppler in PSA and non-ischemic causes. I see PSA patient and rheumatoid arthritis patient with non-ischemic causes. The spectral Doppler is very low in relation this patient in more signal PD in matrix insertion. In relate, I don't see greater signal Doppler. And the signal in spectral Doppler is very greater resistance index in relation PSA. And to the laminar pattern is more alteration and in digital finger in relation matrix scan. Clinical case, patient with PSO, female, 49A. The pattern, normal nail pattern, and this patient loss of trilaminar nail pattern. And the PASI is very greater, and CDI moderate. The same patient presented digital collateral ligament, greater PD signal insertion the ligament in relation distinction of the A and A2 police and patient showed I see the distinction in polites and changes the hypoechogenic changes in this patopalmar insertion. Clinical case, patient with PSO, male 65 years, the patient subclinical condition, nail loss, the pattern, trilaminar pattern, and more signal powered open extensor tendon enthesitis. The same patient in palmar recess, I see thickness in sheath, the tendon, a flexor tendon, and greater signal PD in this patient, characterizing dactylitis finds. West for treatment follow-up. Before treatment, changing the trilaminar pattern. Before and the loss, trilaminar pattern, and after Berry condition. Improvement paratendonitis in the third PIP left. I see more effusion in paratendon after the improvement in the paratendonitis. Clinical case, B-mode ultrasound in PSA uveitis without skin lesions and without prior diagnosis on ultrasound. Pitting, I see and the patient female, 32. This patient has arthritis of the ankle. And the extracurricular manifestations are important to see in patients. We scan the eyes. I see the ecovitreals, both eyes. Lost trilaminar pattern in nail plate, and translate the pitting. Longitudinal scan peroneus, I see the tenosynovites and the tibiotalar effusion and enthesophytes in ankle. I participated in the management of the nail disease in patients with psoriatic arthritis in GRAPPA recommendations. The important conclusion of this study, the importance of the treating patients with the joint and articular manifestation early and through target mapping. Nailing extraarticular manifestation can indicate a poor prognosis for PSO and PSA. Key point is ideal configurations for PD and small structures, high PD frequency above 7.5 MHz, optimum PF 500 Hz to 1000 kHz, loss pass filter. The final conclusion, filter longitudinal studies are necessary to assess the treatment management of the subclinical sonographic manifestations, which are linked to better outcomes in patients in PSA and PSO. The final message, Doppler conditions in tissue demand in the ultrasound are only variable if we have tissue change on the grayscale. I would like to thank you again by opportunity to be here in Panlar Group. This content I have fundamentos em ultrassonografia na reumatologia. I participated in the coordinated graded postgraduate course in Universidade do Ultrassom, online, possible to access. My email and my Instagram, I am available to doubts. E I'd like to thank you again. Muchas gracias.